Ukur Yattani has received a 2 billion shillings check from the Directorate of Public Prosecutions to aid the war against COVID-19. These funds, DPP Nordin Haji says, are recovered proceeds of corruption, and a move he says will continue throughout the coronavirus pandemic. As Morim Mwangi now reports, CS Yattani says the country is reorganizing its budget, including suspension of multiple development projects until the coronavirus pandemic is contained.
Country's head of state already in a persuasive mood, seeking the citizens' cooperation to contain spread of the coronavirus disease. His technocrats, led by Treasury Cabinet Secretary Ukur Yattani, are busy hunting for every coin to fill revenue gaps occasioned by the COVID-19 pandemic. An exercise that got a 2 billion shillings boost from the Director of Public Prosecutions Nordin Haji's office.
We had roughly 2.9 billion shillings, and we felt that after the call by His Excellency the President on the COVID Emergency Response Fund, that these funds could be used towards helping Kenya.
There is so much need for that money. But for them to have remembered that this is a national discourse, and this contribution will go a long way in helping the very needy within our society, particularly at this time, is going to complement other government efforts.
Yet with most of the courts not sitting as part of the judiciary's decongestion efforts in the wake of the coronavirus pandemic, Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission CEO Twali Mbarak says more recoveries from suspected corruption proceeds are locked up by appeals challenging various graft-related rulings in court.
So until the appeal is gone, is when we'll be able to recover that money, and that money, we believe that in the long run, both with the DCI, the DPP and other multi-agency entities, will be able to deliver more money to the government.
President Uhuru Kenyatta had recently announced a pay cut on all senior members of the executive and recently ordered Treasury to redirect all allocations for local and international travel from all county and national government departments to the COVID-19 pool. Yet 2 months to the next financial year, and with Treasury unlikely to bridge revenue shortfalls, Yattani says the government will now deliberately have to suspend most development projects.
We call for a lot of understanding, particularly from the business community, to consider this as an act that now requires extraordinary understanding. Because if you only look at only the profit side of it and lay off people, then we are going to have a serious situation in the economy.
That's going to be a problem for all of us. So we do hope that, yes, you will take a hit, we will take a hit, but together we must protect the social fabric of our society, which is keeping our people gainfully employed and engaged.
With no sure end date to the pandemic, projecting an estimate of the funds necessary to tackle the crisis remains Treasury's biggest headache as the war on coronavirus continues. Murimi Mwangi, KTN News in Nairobi.
Thank you, Murimi. Now, Kenyans living in rented